बैटरी गया, चलो बहुत बढ़िया। आज यही
I'm a celebrity tarot card reader, master consultant and a life coach, and here on the Penelope moderating this wonderful interview with Ms. Sanjani Srivastava. Who is this lady around us? Yes, we will all come to know and introduce Sanjani to all you viewers right here. But before we go on to our introduction with Sanjani, let me tell you who she is in just a little brief. She is the lady who has the fire within her, but the fire within her is brighter than the fire around her. Yes, she had that zeal to go on, and 15 years of her dedication that she's put into the field of her art, she's been directing a lot of movies, a lot of things. Oops, did I spill a beans earlier? Here we have Sajni with us, and she will share with you. Hi, welcome to We Awards, to this wonderful panel and to this wonderful chit-chat with all our viewers. Tell us a little about yourself.
Shambhavi, thank you so much for such beautifully, you described everything. I really admire, and I am an actor, director and a producer. Been in the industry for 15 years. I've acted in many serials. People know me. Apart from that, I have directed films which has nominated in many international film festivals. My film was even showcased in Cannes, and I'm the only female director who has directed films in Africa and won awards for them, for Africa in their country. And it's a great privilege, to see so much of love and appreciation which I get from people around me, not only in India but globally also.
Wow, that's so wonderful to know. In fact, I'm quite a thought getting these goosebumps to realize too that this takes a lot of passion, and it's not easy to be doing something and accomplishing so much without having that passion and the fire within you. Moving on, so you are on the jury to be deciding for who's going to be getting the We Awards. So tell us your experience. How has it been?
Well, the experience is very good. As you know, there are a lot of nominations that come, and excellent ones. It's a little difficult for us to choose who's going to be and who's not going to be, because it's not all about winning. I believe that whatever nominations have come, they all are winners. They are like already winners in their own categories and whatever they have been doing. So this is what I believe.
And how important to you would be these jury meets? Why do you think we should have these jury meets?
It's also important, we get to know each other, and it's very important to collaborate together. Even though our fields are different, like you're a tarot card reader yourself, I'm in media myself. So, but there's some kind of connection which is very important to meet up and to likewise mind, get in touch with.
So it's been a wonderful chit-chatting with Sajni, but we are running out of time. But yes, what important message did she leave with all you viewers? Was if you have the passion in you, and if you are committed to what you're doing, you will be somewhere accomplishing your dreams and goals. So thank you so much for being around with us, and we'll both see you around on the 10th of March at the Taste of Punjab, Bandra. So don't forget to come in, and in case you've not done your registration, it's still on for the venue. So thank you.
Thank you, Sham.
Thank you.
I'm in conversation with Shobha Arya, lady wearing many hats. I would like Shobha to give an introduction to all of you.
Hi guys, this is Shobha Arya, and I think most of them know me. But just to introduce myself in short, I am a WOW lady as we call it, because my brand name is WOW. I am into WOW events and lifestyle. I run my own monthly magazine called WOW, and I run my own YouTube channel called WOW Global Network. That's a short intro about me. As a person, I am a spiritual catalyst. I am a healer, but I don't call myself as a healer. So I don't do anything, I'm just a channel. And that's how I call myself a spiritual catalyst. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's superb.
Yes.
So the power behind WOW is this multifaceted lady. Tell me, Shobhaji, how has it been associated with me?
Well, Chaitali is a real sweetheart, I must say. The way she communicates, the way she talks, and the way she organizes things is very nice. And today I'm here as a jury for her We Awards. We Awards again is a very good initiative by Chaitali, because she filters the people who are nominated and then picks and chooses accordingly. So it gives a lot of women to at least post their profiles and stand a chance to come out as a winner. That's all.
So how has your experience been as a jury member trying to figure out who's the best one?
Being a jury member is really a tough job, I must say, because for me, if I have to look at it, everybody who puts and comes forward to nominate themselves are winners by default, because this shows their confidence in them. Yeah. However, still there has to be a decision taken. Someone has to come out of that lot. So we have to take a call. But overall experience is nice. She's got some good nominations, and we all are here as a panel to help her through the journey.
Great. So we are all excited for the WOW,
Yes.
moment where the WOW lady actually shortlists, and we have plenty of other jury members doing their job to the T. We are looking forward to all of you coming and joining the V Awards on 10th March. The registration link is there, and if you guys haven't done the registration, please do it ASAP.
So we are always here at Taste of Punjab, and the 10th March also is happening here at Taste of Punjab. Hope to see you guys, and I would appreciate if all of us can cheer each other by at least being around.
Yes.
Thank
Looking
you so
forward to
much.
see you.
Looking forward to see you. Thank you.
Thank you, Maushami. I get quite embarrassed by this. I think you've already said it. I consider myself to be an enabler. So I use my pen, my voice to enable people to realize their potentials. Just as I realized mine while writing my nine books. The 10th one is on its way. So I want every person to realize that we have limitless potential inside us.
So all your books have been successful. The recent one, would you like to touch a little about the recent one and the book Healed?
Healed, Healed, How Cancer Gave Me a New Life, Manisha Koirala's book, I wrote with a lot of heart. I'm a survivor myself, and so is Manisha. So when she asked me to write this book, Penguin Random House approached me. So I said, the world needs to hear the voice of survivors, because cancer is something that's spreading so fast. It's already an epidemic. So there are going to be many increasing numbers of survivors. And a voice like Manisha's needs to be heard. And that is why the process has not only been cathartic, but it has been a voice that is from Bollywood. That's why people are standing up, waking up and reading this book. And I'm very happy to say it's become a huge bestseller.
Congratulations to you and many more to
Thank
come.
you so much.
So today we are at the V Awards jury meet. Tell me something about how your association, you were also here with us at the first V Awards last year, and how has it been your association with V Awards and being a jury?
You know, I get my kick out of seeing women do really well. Therefore, when I come here, I get to meet so many interesting women who have diversified into so many avenues, and that makes me really happy. As an author, as a writer, I feel every woman she carries a story inside her. So I have been interested in We because I want to provide women with a forum to express themselves. So I've started online creative writing classes where women can document what they feel and turn it into a story and get the thrill of becoming a published author. I think Vijay Tali is going to talk about it. It's called Creative Juices Workshop at gmail.com.
Lovely. So tell me, how interesting was it being here today at Taste of Punjab and choosing the best?
Well, delicious because the ambience is very delicious, the taste of Punjab, and more than that, as jury member, I felt it's such a responsibility. The papers I'm holding are actually lives of so many women, and each one deserves an award. I think Ree does a wonderful job of highlighting women who have done so much in life. So when I was going through their descriptions, I was simply amazed. I was in awe. And I want to say women are not only creators and nurturers, but they are also, I mean, they run the world. They know what makes the world tick. Besides looking after their children and their homes and husbands and careers, they are also doing so many things. So I think that needs to be really awarded.
It was lovely being in conversation with you, Neelam. We are looking forward to the awards on 10th of March here at Taste of Punjab, and we look forward to you guys also joining us. If you haven't done your registration, the link is given below. Please go and make your bookings right now. Thank you.
Thank you, Maushami. Yes, please don't miss it. It's going to be a wonderful.
I'm Shamruti, a celebrity tarot card reader, Vastu consultant and a life coach. Just like the deck of a tarot has 78 cards, such is the life of every woman who kind of aspires to go through her journey. Whether she's a mommy, she's just a friend, she's an entrepreneur, or she's someone like the very own nice, smiling Navniti with us on the hot seat. Yes, we are here for the Ree Awards nomination and the final round of the jury meet. Navniti has been one of the jury members for the Ree Awards. She's been tirelessly going through the many profiles that was given to her to choose who should be getting the awards. Now moving on to who Navniti is and what has she accomplished in her life. Well, if you didn't know, she herself has been a wonderful pageant holder. Over to Navniti and hi, welcome to the WOW Award. Welcome to the Ree Award, and here we are welcoming you as one of the jury members. So tell us tell us little to our viewers about your experience.
Yeah, first of all, I'm Dr. Navniti K. Badva. I'm Mrs. Asia 2018 and I am a rapid evolution coach and a founder. And I have also been to Mrs. India first and then Mrs. Asia. Being a jury, generally I believe that you should not judge people because I feel that awareness is better than judgment. But when you are in jury, I feel that time you have to wear a judgmental cap also because you are comparing so many wonderful profiles. It was a difficult task for me to choose who is better because I was given a bunch of profiles and a specific category. So it was a wonderful experience when you go through people's profile. You know how women are aware nowadays. They are doing so much for themselves and making everyone proud. And I enjoyed the journey. But yes, it was stressful in terms of choosing one out of many.
I'm sure that's
all were wonderful, and I feel the profile which has come to me after going through so many rounds, they all are very important.
wow. So how important, since you've been into many pageants yourself, how important to you would be these jury meets?
Jury meets are very important as I said that you learn a lot of things looking at other profile. You also get inspired and with jury meet there are a lot of discussions you have with other people and understand what is better in the profile who has to get the award. But yes, as I said, all are winners, so no hard feelings.
Absolutely, no hard feeling. It's all about participating, working hard, and obviously may the best win.
Yeah, in fact, first I participated as Mrs. India in 2017. So I was second runner-up. I was not winner that time, but I didn't give up. I went to Mrs. Asia and then I got.
In fact, being a second runner yourself is the fact that you have come up to the best three there. So wonderful. So it's been a little search. Navneet, knowing her, who she is and how she's come up to a journey. And guys, stay tuned and see you all on the 10th of March for the We Awards at the Taste of Punjab, Bandra. See you around, and till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you.
And I'm a celebrity tarot card reader, master consultant, life coach and motivational speaker, and also do color analysis. Wow, thank you so much. And what am I doing here? So I am one of the moderators for the We Awards happening on the 10th of March at the Taste of Punjab in Bandra. And with me I have Bharti Chhabria, who is the custodian of fashion, who says elegance never goes out of touch. We have such wonderful, beautiful members with us who ensure that fashion never goes out of touch. So hi Bharti, welcome to the jury of the We Awards that you've been going through tirelessly through the profiles, seeing. So before we move on to how your experience with the We Awards is, we would love to, and our viewers who are listening to us would love to know what you do. So would you tell us a bit?
Hi friends, I'm Bharti Chhabria, a celebrity fashion designer. I'm an international fashion designer. I have my own label, 9 Figures and Bharti Design Studio.
Oh, that's nice. So do you cater to Indian and international markets as well?
Yes, I do business in Dubai, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Jakarta and many places.
Okay, so you will never run out of her fashion. She's ensured that she's captured and soon to be capturing the globe. Moving on, so how has your experience been with the We Awards as a jury member?
First of all, I want to really congratulate this team, We Awards. They are really working hard, and I have great pleasure. I'm here with them as a jury. So I really wanted to feel proud today that so many entrepreneur females are with me, and they are from different fields. So it's my pleasure to be here. Thank you, and especially thanks to Chaitani Goswami for this.
That's so sweet of her to say that. But tell us, how important has the jury been? I mean, you feel we must hold a jury meet?
मेरा सही मायने में jury word is like a different task, very difficult task. See, you have so many talented profiles and आपको उसमें से one of the best select करना है. So it's we don't select what the person is profile. I just read some profile which I really like it, but मैंने कुछ उसमें देखा कि passion. See, any job is passion job, but especially designer job is passion. ये नहीं है कि what sense of designing you have. It's only passion. So few profiles I read, it's completely passionate person. I chose according to you, and that was passionate for that girl, which I really like.
So do you know what has made this girl achieve where she is? The word passion. Did you even count how many times that she used the word passion? That's the love that she has for her work. So guys, meet her and meet us on the 10th of March once again at the Taste of Punjab in Bandra for the We Awards. Till then, it's a bye-bye from us. My name is Shamli and I'm into tarot, colors, vastu and a lot of other modalities. I'm sure all of you would be wondering, what am I doing here? Well, I'm one of the moderators for the We Awards that's happening on the 10th of March at Taste of Punjab in Bandra. And with me, I have Mrs. Puri on the hot seat, who's been one of the fantastic jury members, tirelessly going through the many profiles that has been served to her, and she has been choosing who's best. So good evening, and it's been a pleasure to welcome you on the We Awards panel as one of the jury members. So ma'am, please go ahead and tell us. I'm sure we all know who she is, but it would be wonderful to hear from you.
Well, I am actually, everyone says, I'm known as Om Puri's wife. I'm Mrs. Om Puri, and I don't give about it. But apart from that, I also am a journalist, writer. I'm a TED speaker, and I was earlier on the script committee of the NFDC and the Children's Film Society. I have again joined the NFDC as a script evaluator, and I have worked with the radio, television and the print media extensively with Midday, with Dainik Bhaskar, and currently I run the Om Puri Foundation.
Wow. All this while she was saying what she's been doing, there's been one question in my mind that we just have these 24 hours in the day and tirelessly you've been ensuring that you're using every little minute, hour of your day.
Absolutely.
So ladies who want to take inspiration, here is a live lady who does so many things tirelessly, and I'm sure she would have been running from some meeting, event, something to make it to the awards, jury meets. It's been wonderful.
Like this morning, it's nothing. I think women are by nature, they're multitasking. And I'm sure you are, all of us are. And it's nothing, I mean, we have the capacity and we don't do it because ours is a thankless 24-hour job. Like this morning, in the morning I had to do some script evaluation. Then I went to my son's college, there was a PTA meeting. And then I'm here with, judging the 3 women. And then of course I have to go for a play. A friend's son is debuting.
Oh,
and
nice.
behind.
Such is the life of a woman. So how has your experience been as one of the jury members, considering this is the first event, the WE Award event coming up?
It's been quite nice actually. My whole idea with the whole association with WE came about a few months back when they had that exhibition at Sahara still. And I just saw how these women entrepreneurs were so well, they gathered together and they had lovely products. And you were also there. And it was very nice and I enjoyed. And in fact, I thought it is a nice way of encouraging women because everyone cannot be at the top.
Absolutely.
So you start at grassroots level, the way Chaitali has been doing it, getting women from different cities, different places, getting together them and giving them a platform. And in fact, we are looking forward to the event. We are looking forward to the, little handicrafts and stalls.
Oh, wow. So how important to you are these little jury meets that is being held here?
It's interesting because you get to meet so many different people and so many wonderfully talented and capable women.
Indeed. Well, I am truly running out of words and I am truly speechless to be speaking anything more before her. But guys, it's been truly my pleasure to have her here with me on the hot seat and to be talking to her. But as you see, there's so much happening around us. You will get to meet her, speak to her in person on the 10th of March at the WE Awards in Bandra at the Taste of Punjab. So don't miss. The registrations are still going on. Do book your seat and see you around, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm honored and humbled. Thank you.
The feeling is absolutely mutual.
Thank you. Thank you.
Women Enterprises Enclave.
Women Entrepreneurs Enclave.
Entrepreneurs Enclave. इसके पीछे उद्देश्य क्या है और क्या है ये चीज़?
ओके, वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एनक्लेव जो है ये जितनी भी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है जो बिज़नेस शुरू करना चाहती है और जो लोग बिज़नेस ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं, ये प्लेटफॉर्म उनके लिए जहाँ पे हम उनको प्रमोट करते हैं और हम एक्चुअली उनके लिए बहुत सारे इवेंट्स क्रिएट करते हैं जहाँ पे हम उनको प्रमोट कर सकें। उनको हम मीडिया एंगेजमेंट भी देते हैं, उनको हेल्प करते हैं मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज़ में। और इसके अलावा हम बेसिकली आज अभी जो इवेंट हो रहा है 10 तारीख को हम लोग फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जिन्होंने अपने अपने फील्ड्स में एक्सेलेंसी दिखाई हुई है।
फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ बताएंगे जैसे कैसे मतलब किस टाइप के
बिजनेस वुमेन हर कैटेगरी के होते हैं, लाइक डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं, ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर, क्लोथिंग डिज़ाइनर, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, उसके बाद रियल एस्टेट से भी लेडीज़ है, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स है, वैरायटी मतलब डिफरेंट वैराइटीज़ के वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है हमारे यहाँ पे।
अच्छा,
अराउंड मतलब 20 हम लोग अभी जो अवार्ड्स दे रहे हैं कुछ 15 to 18 अवार्ड्स हम दे रहे हैं, तो 15 to 18 कैटेगरीज़ के वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जिन्होंने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किए हुए हैं।
इसमें आपके जूरी मेंबर्स कौन कौन हैं?
हमारे जूरी मेंबर्स है जैसे भारती छाबरिया जय जो डिज़ाइनर है, दीका बहल है, देन वी हैव नीलम कुमार जी, शी इज़ फ्रॉम एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड, देन नंदिता ओमपुरी जी है, सजनी श्रीवास्तव जी है और हमारे और बाकी भी है जूरी मेंबर्स।
ऐसे आयोजन में आपको ये सब मतलब आपको पीछे साइड में भी कोई स्पॉन्सर वगैरह चाहिए होता है, इसमें कौन
बिल्कुल हमारे साथ सपोर्ट में सज्जन है। सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगी टेस्ट ऑफ पंजाब को, जिन्होंने आज का जूरी मीट उन्होंने स्पॉन्सर किया है। ओके, उसके बाद हमारे बाकी स्पॉन्सर्स जैसे नैवेद्यम है, इन्होंने भी हमारे इस इवेंट को स्पॉन्सर किया है। मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी अमित श्रीवास्तव जी को, जो ओनर है नैवेद्यम के, मतलब उनकी वाइफ एक्चुअली ओनर है, तो आज वो आ नहीं सकी, उनकी तबीयत ख़राब है, तो जिस वजह से वो उनकी वाइफ को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आज आए हुए हैं।
अमित जी आपका स्वागत है। कैसा लगता है आपको WEE से ज्वाइन होकर?
एक्चुअली सिंपल वर्ड, इट इज़ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट। एवरीवेयर सब जगह यही चल रहा है कि वुमेन पावर इज़ द बिगर पावर। तो ये जो हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा इवेंट हो रहा है, और जो तरीके से हो रहा है, जिस ढंग से किया जा रहा है, वो बहुत ही सही किया जा रहा है। और प्लेटफॉर्म भी बहुत ही बेस्ट है, जहाँ ऑल कैटेगरी के लोग आके मिल रहे हैं और बात कर रहे हैं इस बारे में, और आगे बढ़ने की सब सोच रहे हैं।
थैंक्स।
बाकी सीमा वेदक जी है। सीमा वेदक, if I can please come. She is into soft skill training.
Hello, I am Seema Vedak and I am a certified image consultant and a soft skill trainer.
शॉर्ट आप WEE के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
पहले तो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर जो हम जैसी लड़कियां हैं, वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद आवर न्यू बिजनेस, उनके लिए ये एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम है। सो एक्चुअली चैताली काइंड ऑफ हैंड होल्ड्स अस, वो हमें बताती है कि कैसे करना है। लोगों से इतनी सारी उसके कॉन्टैक्ट्स है, वी मेट सो मेनी पीपल हियर दैट इट डेफिनेटली एनकरेजेस अस एंड इट एनहांसेस आवर नॉलेज ऑल्सो एज इंडिविजुअल्स। Loving to be a part of it.
Thanks.
So thank you, Seema, for being a part of this event as well. Thanks for.
Pause.